Now in 10th class, the chapter 8 similar triangles, introduction. See here the introduction. Observe the diagram. Observe the figure. Here in the first diagram, there are complete 3 houses and observe the houses. So what you observe from the houses? The 3 houses are in the same shape and same size. Means the same houses height, sizes are same and the appearance is also same. In the same way, observe the second diagram. The second images contains all the tables and all the tables are in the same size and same shape. Means appearance is also same. Both length, height, width all are same. Next, observe the third image. See, observe, if you observe the third image contains all the cars, 3 cars, and 3 cars appearance is same. Means the size and the shape all are same. So what you observe, what you conclude from this? See, in this images, all the 3 images if you observe, they are in the same shape and same size. These type of images, these type of figures are known as congruent figures. Now observe the second type of images. See, in the second type of images, the similar to the first type, here all the 3 houses, if you observe, all the 3 houses are the same size. No, they are not in the same size. The shape is same, but the sizes are decreasing order. The first house, second house, third house, they are in the decreasing order. Means the shape is same, but sizes are different. Similarly, observe the tables. The table also, all the 3 tables, shape is same, but sizes are in decreasing order. The first, second, third, the 3 tables, they are in the decreasing order. Now similarly observe the third diagram. The third diagram related to the car. All the cars appearance is same, means the shape in different. Shape is same, but the sizes are in the decreasing order. So here all the 3 images, if you observe, so what you conclude? See, you can conclude from this, they are same shape, but the sizes are different. These type of images or these type of diagrams or these type of figures are known as similar figures. So similarity means the same shape but different in sizes is known as similar figures. The definition of the congruent figures. So here the 2 geometric figures having the same shape and same size are known as congruent figures. So we already discussed in the previous images, houses, table, cars are in the same shape and same size. So this is the mathematical definition. 2 geometric figures having same shape and same size are known as congruent figures. See, for example, here I am taking the line segment. Here I am taking the line segment, the 2 line segments AB and CD. The 2 line segments, the first one is 5 cm, second one is also 5 cm. So both are same, length is same. So these are the congruent lines. And next one is, if I take the triangle, the first triangle and the second triangle, here ABC, first triangle and the second triangle DEF. Here all the measurements are same. The 3 measurements are same. Then these 2 triangles are called congruent triangles. And if you observe the circles of same radii, means here the 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. If you take the circles like this, then these 2 circles are also congruent. Means these 2 line segments are congruent, these 2 triangles are congruent, and these 3 circles are all congruent if they have the same radii. Means all the circles are congruent if their radii are same, then they are congruent circles. So these are the examples of the congruent. Means they are exactly same in the same shape and size. Now similar figures definition. 2 geometric figures having the same shape but different sizes are known as the similar figures. We already observed in the images, the houses are in the same shape but the sizes are different. The table same shape, sizes are different. Car also same shape, sizes are different. Means here the same. 2 geometric figures having the same shape is same, its appearance is same, but the sizes are different. Different sizes are known as similar figures. See, if you observe the examples, here I am taking a square. See, this is a square and observe this is the second square. So both are the same squares, but the shape is same, sizes are different. Similarly, triangle. Observe the triangle. The triangles are same, appearance is same, means same shape, but sizes are different, the big and the small. And similarly, circle. The two circles are same, but the circles are shape is same, the size is different. So these type of examples, these type of figures are known as similar figures. Means they are having the same shape, but the sizes are different. So these type of figures are known as similar figures. Now see the difference between the congruent figures and the similar figures. So what is the difference? You see, the first one is the line segments. I already told the difference here. The congruent figures, see here the first one is AB and the second one is CD. If you observe, these line segments of same length, first one is 10 centimeters and the second one is also same 10 centimeters. Then these two line segments are called congruent line segments, AB congruent to CD. Next here the second, the similar, see how the similar diagrams. Observe the AB, here the line segment and the CD is the second line segment. Suppose the AB length is 3 centimeters and suppose the CD length is 8 centimeters. Here the AB is 3 centimeters and CD 8 centimeters. The shape is same, means both are line segments but the sizes are different. So these are the similar figures. Now the second type of examples, see here the circles. The circles. Observe both the circles are of same radius 4 centimeter and the same 4 centimeter. Now these two circles are congruent because their appearance is same, shape same, size same. So these are congruent circles. Now here observe the similar circles. How the similar circles are? These are the similar circles. If you take here the 4 centimeters and this is the 2 centimeters, the appearance is same. Both are the circles, but the sizes are different. So these are known as the similar figures. These are the similar triangles. Next, the third one is triangles. So these are the two triangles, and both the triangles, the measurements are same. All are 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Then at the triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Now these are two congruent triangles. Now if you take the similar triangles, how they are the similar triangles? Same A, B, C. Here the 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Now here the DEF is the second triangle which is similar to ABC. Then measurements are like this. Both are equilateral triangles. But their sizes are different. The first triangle measurement is 5 centimeter and the second triangle measurements are 2 centimeters. These two are similar triangles. So this is the difference between the congruent figures and the similar figures. The congruent figure means same shape and same sizes, and the similar figures means same shape but the different sizes. So these are the difference about the congruent figures and similar figures. See some points here. Two congruent figures are always similar. Means every congruent figure is always similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent. All the congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent. Now the second point, if two figures are similar, one can be obtained from other either by shrinking or by stretching without changing its shape. Means the two figures are similar, one is obtained from the other. Means first diagram, the second diagram is obtained from the first one by either shrinking or stretching without changing its shape. Now these are the 2 points related to the similar figures. See the definition of regular polygon. A polygon in which all sides and angles are equal is called a regular polygon. Means in the polygon all the sides and all the angles are equal. Means all sides equal and all angles are equal. Then it is called a regular polygon. Otherwise it is called irregular polygon. Now see, and all regular polygons are always similar. All regular polygons are always similar. See some examples of regular polygons. See square. Square is a regular polygon because all the sides are same. Suppose here it is 5 centimeters, then all 4 sides are 5 centimeters, and all the angles are also same, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So it is a regular polygon, and all regular polygons are always similar like this. See, these are the similars. These are all regular polygons, and all these are the similar regular polygons. Now similarity of polygons. See the definition. Two polygons are said to be similar to each other if their corresponding angles are equal and lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. See once again, the two polygons are said to be similar to each other. It satisfies the two conditions. First one corresponding to their angles, and second one related to lengths. The corresponding angles are equal. So what is the meaning of corresponding? I explain with the example later. Now next see, the lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. The lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. So we have to identify the meanings of the corresponding, what is the meaning of the corresponding angles and proportional. See, I explain all these terms with this example. See the example here, I am taking the two rectangles. Two rectangles, these are irregular polygons. The first one is A, B, C, D, and the second one is P, Q, R, S. Here I am taking the lengths like this, 6 centimeters, 4, 6 centimeters, 4, and here 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, like this. So see, first one, these are the two polygons, and the first condition, check whether the first condition is satisfied or not. Their corresponding angles are equal. The corresponding angles here, all the in rectangle all the angles are same, all are equal to 90 degrees. The corresponding angle means angle A, the same position here angle P. These are corresponding angles, but angle A is not equal to angle B. They are not corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means the position are same. Corresponding angles. See the first one, the corresponding angles. The corresponding angles, angle A, its corresponding angle is P. Means they are in the same position. Angle A position, angle P position same. Now next, in first rectangle, angle B, their corresponding angle in the second rectangle is angle Q, but not the angle R and not the angle S. The corresponding means appearances means they are in the same place. Corresponding means the same place, respective places. Next, in first triangle, angle C is equal to here angle R, and next angle D equal to angle S. Now the corresponding angles are equal. The first condition satisfied. Next, lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. So what is the meaning of proportional? See here, I am writing like this: AB, the length AB by length PQ. The corresponding side AB, corresponding side is PQ, but AB corresponding is not equal to RQ. So AB corresponding side is PQ. So AB, if you check the answer, AB is 6 by PQ means 3. So the answer 3 ones are 3, 2 means answer is 6. Now see, check whether the remaining are also same or not. AB by PQ equal to the proportional meanings like this. We have to write like this. Next, the side BC by its corresponding side is QR. The corresponding side is QR. Check whether it is equal to again 2 or not. BC length 4 by QR length 2. 2 ones are 2. The same answer 2. So again same, this is also equal to, corresponding is same, also proportional is same, also equal to CD. Third side CD by third side RS. Check again 6 by 3 means again 2. So this is also equal to fourth side DA or AD. We can write like this: DA or AD by SP or PS. So this DA value 4, SP value 2, 4 by 2. So same, all these are equal to 2 by 1. So this is known as proportional. So this satisfies the two conditions. The first condition, the corresponding angles are equal and their lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. The sides are proportional, not equal. Angles equal, sides are in proportional. So this is where we have to write the proportional meaning. So angles are equal, sides are proportional. So it satisfies both the condition. So here the first figure means ABCD, the rectangle ABCD is similar to, use this symbol to represent similar to. Read this as is similar to. Is similar to. So ABCD is similar to PQRS. PQRS. Here the order is important. ABCD is similar to PQRS, but ABCD is not similar to QRSP. The order of the letters are important. ABCD similar to PQRS. Now this is about the similarity of polygon. Now next, similarity of triangles. Similarity of triangles, it is similar to similarity of polygon. Now see the definition. Two triangles are said to be similar if their, the first condition, corresponding angles are equal, and the second condition, corresponding sides are proportional, same as the polygons. Now see, I explain this with an example. Here I am taking the two equilateral triangles. The first one is ABC with the measurements 5. I am taking here 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and the angles are 60 degrees. And your second triangle, I am taking the same equilateral triangle PQR, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. All the angles are same. Now check the corresponding angles. So meaning of corresponding angles, angle here this is A, its corresponding here it is P, means angle A equal to angle P, because 60 60 similar triangles, similar equilateral triangles, all the angles are same. Next, the second angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. These are the corresponding angles. And angle C equal to angle R. This is also corresponding angle. It means their same positions are same. But A not equal to angle Q. So these are not corresponding angles. Corresponding means their positions are same. Corresponding angles are equal, dissatisfied. Next, the corresponding sides are proportional. Check one by one, the sides are proportional or not. See, the same condition, AB by AB, the corresponding side is PQ, same side is PQ. AB by PQ, check AB by PQ value. AB length 6, PQ length 3, 6 by 3 value 2. Now check again, is it equal to the next one, the second side BC. The second side BC and its corresponding side is QR. The corresponding side is QR. Check whether it is equal to 2 or not. BC length 6, QR length 3, 6 by 3 is also same 2. Next, these two are equal. Next, check the third one, AC or CA. AC by its corresponding side is PR or RP. AC value 6, PR value 3, 6 by 3 is 2. So all these are equal to 2 by 1 or 2. So all the sides, the corresponding sides are in proportional. Proportional means the ratio of all these equal to same, 2:1 or 2 by 1 are equal to 2. All these are in corresponding sides are proportional. So these two triangles satisfies the first condition, corresponding angles are equal, and the second condition, corresponding sides are proportional. So these two triangles are similar, and we are writing in symbolically triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here the order is important. Remember once again, the order of the letters is important. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. See how here we are checking angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. The corresponding angles are equal. See the sides AB by PQ. See the first one, AB by PQ. Next, BC by QR, BC by QR, CA or AC by RP or PR. Now this is the order of the letters is important. Don't change the order. If you change the order, then they are may be similar, may not be similar. Here the order is important. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now this is about the similarity of triangles. See one observation related to the from the previous example. In the previous example, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR, and all these are equal to the same ratio 2. 2 means if I am taking some constant K, So depends on this k. Here I am defining some definitions. See, if k greater than 1, if k value, the obtained the ratio value is greater than 1, then we get enlarged figures. Enlarged figure means this topic is related to the long question. In exam point of view, there is a long question for 4 marks, the construction of the similar triangles, and I use this concept for the long question. See, if k greater than 1, we get enlarged figure. Enlarged figure means if here our given triangle is like this, means in the question the triangle is like this, and the ratio, the k value is greater than 1, our obtained triangle, our new triangle is like this, enlarged figure means you have to draw the triangle bigger than this given triangle, enlarged figures. So this is, we get enlarged figure. Next, if k equal to 1, means if exactly this is equal to 1, all the ratios are same equal to 1, then we get the congruent figures. Congruent figure means again same, these two triangles are same, we get the same triangles. Same triangles. Now, if k less than 1, k less than 1 means we get reduced figure. Reduced figure means here the given triangle is like this, then our obtained triangle is like this. Reduce, the reduce. We have to draw a triangle similar to this but smaller than the given triangle. This depends on this k value. If the k value greater than 1, we get enlarged figure. Like this means we have to draw a bigger triangle for the given triangle. And if k less than 1, we get the reduced triangle, means we have to draw a smaller triangle to the given triangle. So we have the 4 marks question related to this. Depends on the k. Is k greater than 1, then we have to draw bigger triangle. If k less than 1, then we have to draw a smaller triangle for the given triangles. This is important for 4 marks, and it is in the second exercise 8.2.